Casaluna Productora is a film and commercial production company. Our goal is to be the best in the business with our competitive prices and high quality work. There are two branches in Casaluna Productora, the commercial branch and the film branch. In our commercial branch, we produce videos for local companies like Perfiles y Herrajes and Rancho Seco soccer team. We work with high quality equipment and we offer one of the best, if not the best, rate in the city. Our goal is to impulse companies and create an impact in the media. Our commercial branch has been very successful in the last year. We have produced over 8 videos for local companies. The other branch of Casaluna Productora is the short film production. We're passionate about cinema and our goal in the future is to produce movies. We have produced 2 short films. Our first short film, Frontera, won first place in the Cameo Short Film Festival. Right now, we're about to finish our biggest production yet, 29 Absoluto. There have been around 60 people involved in this project. We have the experience of directing professional actors and working with a crew of professionals in the area, like director of photography and production designers.
Pero eso no me va a ganar mi beca. Si tenga que erradicar el problema de film, sí lo haría.